Flour your work surface and hands to prevent sticking. Place your pizza dough on the floured surface. Use your hands or a rolling pin to gently flatten and shape the dough into your desired pizza size and thickness. Transfer the dough to a pizza stone, baking sheet, or pizza pan lined with parchment paper. Step 2. Add sauce and cheese. Spread a thin layer of pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce. Don't overdo the toppings to prevent sogginess. Step 3. Add toppings. Add your favorite toppings, such as sliced vegetables, pepperoni, olives, or cooked sausage. Be creative, but don't overload the pizza to maintain a good balance. Step 4. Bake carefully. Place the pizza in the preheated oven. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Step 5. Finish and serve. Remove the pizza from the oven using oven mitts. Let it cool for a minute or two to avoid burning yourself. Optionally, drizzle olive oil or sprinkle fresh herbs like basil over the hot pizza. Slice, serve, and enjoy.